Bula vinaka once again, everybody. Bula vinaka, Nisandra vinaka. Guten Tag to all of you who have been following us on our Project Vale vlog. It's me, Pate. Welcome to another beautiful day of another beautiful vlog. So we are once again here at the house doing a Project Vale. So guys, today is a Saturday and it's a whole day. We started 7 in the morning. Now it's after 9 and hope you guys will enjoy the vlog today. So guys, this is what I'm doing right now, and yeah, this is the living room from Mama Papa's apartment, and we have to open this door so that living room and the bedroom is on the same. And guess what? The Fijian Drua is playing against the Blues.
To offload, despite 2 or 3 players trying to bring him to ground. That's right, coming for Frank Lomani.
So while working, watching the game, so I was using this machine as governor. Now to say Ben Rokondiba knows this machine. And yeah, let's go. Guys, it's all Blues game in 14 minutes. Come on, Drua, you can do it. If Drua can defeat Crusaders, why not? 100% they can smack the Blues. Send the Blues home, man. That's on Drua. And the foreman is here breaking the wall. Slowly, the top is moving. That's...
No?
Say Bula man.
Bula! Welcome back! We are always here, so don't think that we are not working. We are just not vlogging everything.
And what's new here? Here. We covered the top, guys. So next week, the roof will be... Now we are just continuing breaking the wall so that we make the door. This beautiful try from Ravuta Wanda.
Look at what the Drua can do when they keep ball in hand and they stay patient. As you said, TJ, they weren't going forward, but they just kept going from left to right, trying to find a chink in the...
Go. Hey.
Bam!
You're like inside the prison. Lotoka police station.
Bam!
Huh? How do you feel?
Super.
Okay guys, now finally we've opened. So now we are just looking for a concrete beam like this so that we can put it there and then cover the whole thing again. Okay, back to the stadium. The Fijian Drua is scored 5 points, and now
Frank Lomani again is furious. Wants a penalty. We've got to hit the arm. Yeah, okay.
hey,
Knock on by Blue. Sorry, excuse me, guys. It's a knock on by Blue.
yeah, knock on by Blue, you Tamsel.
Get the scrum feet now.
There.
Vale.
Yellow card.
I reckon that's a blue, not one.
It's a yellow card, ref. This ref is so biased, man. And Blues 29 points, so we still have. Now we have 6 minutes to go. Okay, guys. Last 1 minute. Blues 36, Drua 5. Wananabu boys, so proud of you guys. Wananabu Drua all the way. Nako Frank.
They are going to get a chance of having the last say. Really seen enough of him today. He was
Support,
coming
boys, support.
nicely by Renovation there. Lumani still out there.
Support.
Wheeling in the tackle, can get up and go again. Real determination here. They want a season ender.
What you think any score, boys?
Passing inside the 22. Now Nasila.
My boys, my. Last try nga, kanibande.
This time manages to get
My boys, my.
Nasila.
Anabu boys.
Blues
Patience.
are going through to the semi-final here next Friday. And Dalton Papali'i denies them a chance at the last say.
Muluseka.
Blues into the semi-final. Season comes to an end for the Drua.
That's it. Wananabu Drua. Fijian Drua. #1 team in the world, man. At least you've thrown Crusaders out of the tournament. Naka. So guys, those are my 2 teams which I normally support. Like, I'm a big fan of the Crusaders, and now the Drua Fiji formed their new Drua team. My #1 team is Drua. My second team is Crusaders. Now they're both out of the season. And yeah, that's it. That is rugby. Okay. Naka boys nangito. Now we have to continue our work because we have something later today. We have a family reunion from Connie's mom's side, Mama's.
Then we could start closing.
I wanted to tell you, hey, we close this, but we can use the big machine.
Which big machine?
The one outside, the roller, but we just mix it less. Okay, this is what I'm doing now, guys. Right, I have to get my tools. More, but I can the cheap. What you call this? Cheap place. Okay, so we need to open this, guys. We need to open this because we want this thing that cement beam should go here, and then we have to cover the whole thing back after we open it. Okay, my.
So guys, now my husband is doing some cement, like manual job today, because Papa took the car and we are too lazy to get the car back. So yeah, he already went for his family meeting. We are still staying a little bit longer. Yeah, then at least continue like 1-2 more hours. We do it manual. Bula! Kece. Foreman.
Hand mix manual job.
It's the best.
Best.
It's like homemade cake, huh? It's always the best.
Yeah. So Papa took the
Yeah, I already explained.
extension cord,
Yeah.
so we cannot use the machine. So we have to use anything which is available. And especially here, use the Bula, gesundheit.
But no worries. In Fiji, you would also do it manual, so now go back to Fiji time.
I've never used the machine, ever.
You were just dreaming. Whoa, I would like to. No, I mean, you were just dreaming. You would like to have this, yes? Yes, can tell. Our electricians are coming. Okay. So guys, and if you can see, this is what we took out. So now we have to close this wall and this wall. So, and then I can show you guys. That will be a small apartment. I think that will be a super nice apartment. So that will be the entrance with a big like terrace here. So there will come some steps here from the garage. Suck. And then they will come up here. Will be like a door, like the main entrance door. Then they will come here in. So that will be the kitchen. Here will be a kitchen. Mama and Papa will buy a kitchen here. Yeah, and here you can put a small table with chairs. So that will be the bathroom, a very big one with, yeah, toilet and shower and everything for the washing machine and so on. So, and as I was telling you, we will close this wall, and then this will be the living room. Before we wanted to take out this door, but we decided not to do that. So that's a little bit separated. Small room, and here we open this door or this wall to make a door, and then they will go from the living room inside the sleeping room. Here we will close this, we fully close this, and here will be a window like on the roof. Yeah, and then this is closed, and that will be a small apartment, super nice one. So I think when I'm old, that I will rent it. Yeah, and this will be our part. So here we won't change anything. Yeah, super excited. It's like from day to day we can see some changes. So from day to day it looks more like, okay, we're doing something step by step, our own like tempo, not too fast, because we're doing a lot of things by our own. We are not asking for contractors like our neighbors. They're always asking, are you doing everything alone? Yeah, as much as we can, we will do, because this is a little bit our mentality. So I learned it from my parents, yeah, to do some things by my own and not to ask everyone who can do it. So they can see, for example, this White House here just on the opposite, and see this is fully, and also this one, the red one there, this one, it's made by contractors. So that means like they have not done anything. In German we call it Schlüsselfertiges Bauen. So you buy a house for a price of 400,000 euros, and then they will build it, and when it's ready they say, okay, you can come now, your house is ready, and they will move in. But yeah, because you're paying a lot to the contractors, you cannot put a lot of money into nice things, for example, like a little bit bigger garage, or like some extras in your house. So that's why we decided, okay, we just do it by our own. We sweat for our house, but then we put some nice things inside which we love and which we really want to have. Yeah, so just good motivation to all people, especially to the husbands, like sweat for your own house. This is the best thing what you can do, because then it's worth it to move in, and you will feel more grateful that you have done something for your own future, and be motivated to build your own house. I know sometimes it's hard because, okay, how to do it financially, but if you have a lot of if you have the opportunity to do it, just do it. Don't stay like your full life in a renting apartment. If you want to have your own house, try to do that. This is a very, very good experience. Okay, these are my words, so I will go back to her pate now.
Okay guys, after that hard mix, manual mix, long time then I did a manual mix. So now we are trying to close off this door. So this is the first wall which we open So this will be the bedroom where I'm standing, and this will be the living room, and this will be the kitchen and bathroom. This is bathroom here with a big balcony and a step going down there for especially for this apartment here, and we'll rent it out or make it an Airbnb. But this side of the room with the steps is here, and this side of the room, this is ours. This is our bedroom, our kids' bedroom, Sima, which is toilet and bathroom, and this is another bedroom, and including the 2 big rooms on top. So what we are doing now, we are trying to close off this wall, close everything here, because this will be a bedroom with this door there, like I've explained. And it's hard because Papa took all the machines, and so we are just using what is available on the site. There's no stone cutting machine, so we have to crack the stone with a chisel and hammer. That's it. Just keep going. At least today we finished this, but we finished a lot of work today. And yeah, we did the garage. Monday they'll bring the truck, a cement truck, to fill in the garage, and yeah, next week we'll put up the tiles for the roof, and all good. Let's go, Toso boys. Okay guys, this is the update from outside and on the roof, and here we have the tiles for the roof. So we did this last week Saturday when Tavale Wagon came. So this is the color of the roof. Black. So that will be done next week. And yep, let's walk around to the other side. Let me show you where the house is so far. This is our electrician boys, Electro Rose company, installation for Calf Kundan West. So you have another half of the tiles for the roof here in front. Yeah. So yesterday and yeah, 3 days this week we finished the whole roof here. Just Papa, Connie and I, just 3 of us. And yeah, apology because I'm putting my hoodie like this. Yeah, I've been sick from Tuesday, flu, cold, but still, if I'm at home lying down and relaxing and chilling while Connie and Papa working here, it doesn't make sense. So I just force myself to come and at least give the hand. I'm so cold. The weather is super warm. I'm still cold. I'm super cold. That's why I just want to do a hard job mixing the cement. And here, so this is the second tarpaulin. So we already put one at the bottom. We put the normal ground floor, and then we add some more stones, and then tarpaulin, and then soil, stone, now tarpaulin again. Tomorrow, Monday, Monday the truck will bring the cement, and then we have to fill the whole thing. And yeah, that's it so far. And also our crane is still not breathing. Renders are super hard, guys, when the crane is not working, because all the height job, you need the crane. Just imagine we were just walking here without any rope, any safety belt. It's just that here these pieces of wood here which is running diagonal, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, yeah, horizontal. So we put the vertical ones first, and then put the horizontal one, and then stand on it, and then go to the next, like that, and then foil from here to the other corner. Yeah.
Let's go home. Done for today.
How was the work today?
Good.
Good job.
Yeah.
And also today we are in a hurry because today is family reunion from Mama's side, but that's why Papa went earlier, because they have to be there and we cannot leave because the contractors are still working on our house. And yeah. Okay guys, we are heading home now. Anything you want to say to our subscribers, our viewers? How was the week so far? How was the week?
Good. At least we covered the roof,
Yes.
so no more rain is
Just
coming in.
Connie, Papa and I, man. Yeah. Now we are happy because the rain cannot what you call it? Yeah. Man, we are tired. I don't know how to explain it. Like before, when the roof was open, there was a lot of water always stored on the first floors. So now we managed to cover the roof, so there's not a lot of water. Here, and now we are heading home. And big Bula vinaka to all of you who are new to our channel, and sorry for the face is dirty and the nose is dirty, the mouth is dirty, because we were doing a lot of
Dirty work.
yeah, cutting the walls. So yeah, I was not wearing any mask, and that's why the nose is white. Beautiful weather today. How many degrees? 22 degrees, guys. Today is 22 degrees. And we'll see if
I think later we have to go back and get the cake and the box.
yeah, we have some leftover food which we give the boys who are installing the electric things, electric wires. So we give them the food for lunch and also some cakes. Later we have to pick it up. And also big Bula vinaka to those of you who've been commenting on our last vlogs. Look how beautiful the weather today.
And now we're going by bicycle. Guys, do you know that I have a new bicycle? Did you already show our subscribers our bicycle?
You can explain it.
Yes, I have a new bicycle. I'm super proud of my new bicycle. But I was a little bit afraid that maybe someone will steal my bicycle, so now it is inside our house.
guys, this bicycle,
$1 million.
it's like the, you know, if you have a car, the most expensive ones in the world is Rolls Royce or Lamborghini or Ferrari. So Connie bought something like that, but it's bicycle term, in bicycle term, or in bicycle family. You have the, like in cars, you have Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, the most expensive ones. So in bicycle families, she also has it. A Lamborghini bicycle.
Not really.
Boy, that bicycle, when you like drive beside that bicycle, you cannot hear the motor, you cannot hear the wheel.
Super beautiful,
It's
yes?
just,
You're so jealous, yes?
and the seat, guys, and the seat, when you sit on the bicycle, when you go to a rough terrain, you cannot feel the your bum won't get sore. It's so like comfortable, smooth, stability. That bicycle,
So
man.
that my husband is not jealous of my bicycle.
Yes, of course.
But I would also be jealous.
I was surprised, guys. I thought it would be just, you know, normal price of a bicycle. When
That's normal price.
when Connie I want to say when Connie told me about the price of that bicycle, I was so shocked. I said, this is like the Lamborghini of bicycles, man. But all good,
bicycles
all
in
good.
Germany are, in general are, especially when you have e-bikes, is super expensive.
All good. We did not buy that bicycle from our Project Vale money, no. That was our savings. So it's better for her to buy it now rather than wait until we finish the house, because
Yes.
when we finish the house, I don't think so there will be a lot of money left.
And what is also a big advantage, I just bought it 50 meters from our home. We have a bicycle shop there. So for everything like service or my seat is not comfortable, I will just go there and they will do it for free. So that is super good. A big advantage. That's why I did not want to buy it online or far away from any other shops. And you should know, like e-bikes in Germany, it's really, the cost is really like cars. You can compare it with small cars, like the prices. The e-bikes in Germany are very expensive, but like we are going super lot by bicycles. Like every day we are going by bicycles. I think in a year maybe 1,500 kilometers. So it's super useful to have a good
And the reason also Connie bought it because her bicycle, her e-bike was not working.
And yours is also not 100%.
And mine also.
And in case like something will happen that in 5 months no of our bicycle is working, and we do not have even one bicycle,
Because Summer
then we
is
decided
here now.
not to buy it.
Because Summer, guys, is just bicycle. You park the car only when you go for longer distance. Man, just can't wait to have this warm shower. Here, all good. That's the
We
update
will
so
show
far.
you maybe later the bicycle or in the next vlog.
And
the color is so beautiful.
And don't go away. I want to give some shout outs to those of you who have been supporting us in the comment section, and those of you who have been making your fingers busy ticking that like button. We would like to mention you on this vlog before we end the vlog. Toso boys. Okay guys, Bula Vinaka once again. We are back here. After our shower, we head to the family reunion of Mama's family, Connie's mom, and we just arrived home, back from Milton. We went by bicycle, and now we are going back to Fichthof, to the house, to go and pick up some of the things which we left behind the house for our electricians to have a bite. Some brochure and cake. Yeah. Okay guys, before we end our vlog today, I would like to read out some of the comments which we have missed from the last vlogs. So this is the bicycle and rollerblade adventure vlog. Big Bula vinaka to Mauki more. Thank you so much for your comment, and big blessings Loloma from us here at Sassenberg Tangmodia Drive to you and your beautiful families in Fiji and abroad. Don't Bula vinaka may navakao vuna taveuni navakao Catholic school may dele tambana we turani to the school head teacher ja inia Bula vinata vingu lolo mutuani emdo edena oro anu ni vinata ni na masu na garap tavi leu tumandanga moyangwana Bula vinaka tu epeli ratambatata in Georgia. Guess right?
In Georgia.
Yeah. Epeli ratambatata and your beautiful partner.
Check out the Nikora shops to get some Oldenburger milk, cheese or yogurt.
That's from where?
DMK. Oh. Then you will taste our real German original products which I'm selling to Georgia. So Nikora shops, go in and get some nice.
Yeah, maita we nona product okwenyo kwa nona vono ni vingaravyo Georgia kwa vulitaka chikani Georgia na products kevya. Okay, next Big Bula vinaka to the Sugar City boy. This is the first time I hear this guy commenting. Hi Connie and Pate, I love your vlogs, watching it from Edmonton, Kakanda. Boy, where is this? Ivengo. I'm actually from Lautoka, Fiji, not too far from you. I'm from Wayabi Stage 1. Wait, Santina. Hey, Bula vinaka.
Bula,
the Sugar
Bula
City
vinaka,
boy.
Bula vinaka to the Sugar City boy from Lautoka, Wayabi.
Sweet City.
Sweet City. Shaggy.
Yeah, after this we play one Shaggy song. Okay, so the next vlog is when I was singing the gospel song God You're So Good. That was our baptism Sunday in church, where we have some new members who got baptized, and I was asked if I could to sing a song, and then I chose this song, God You Are So Good. And those of you who have commented on that, Bula vinaka once again to Mauki Mor na valev na comment epel ratambadada aisa vina valev rusiate bula korro na valev tabala sema tumai emeni vina valev na vai emeni and happiness as genre sing bras whenever you comment sa bring on sole level na motivation vikirau. Thank you bras Avines Achandra Singh, New Zealand. Kia ora bras, kia ora. Big lolomas and Bula vinaka to you and your families in New Zealand, and those in overseas, and those also those who are back at home from your yasa.
So where is back home?
In Fiji.
Fiji, Din Road? Out that place?
Shit. And then our last vlog, that was our trip to Dusseldorf to watch the Chris Tomlin show.
Guys,
Big Bula vinaka.
If you have a chance to meet Chris Tomlin on a concert, just go there. It's so amazing. Wow, I super love it.
Worth it, yeah?
Super. Nice worship night. Super enjoyed it.
Okay guys, Big Bula vinaka to Papani Fa'afolau Uso.
Papani? Papakai?
Uso from America. Thank you so much for your comment. and he wrote that it was awesome and good concert, very powerful. God is good, my brother. Much love for you and your family. Thank you, Pras. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Uso. Also, much love from us, and stay safe and big blessings to your family also. More vinaka bakalebu na comment, man. You mean your comment means a lot to us. We know that, you know, we know that people are interested in our vlogs, and sometimes we are not looking at much about the viewers. We are looking at people who normally tune in. We want to know where you're tuning from, and so that it gives us motivation. Oh, our channel, our video has reached Canada, our video has reached America, our video has reached India, China. That would super means a lot to us. And last and foremost, to Paula, to Imasi, Tovata. I don't know where you're tuning from. I think America. Big Bula vinaka to you and a beautiful family. Vinaka Sarvale, Malom Bula. Okay guys, we are here at home, at our new home. There you can see Pepeng. Do you need help? So we are here just to pick up the plates and some of the ice key and cake, leftover food maybe, that we give the boys to enjoy. Connie's looking for it. Okay, toso boys. Yes, guys, I also want to give a big shout out to, would you like to say, Bula, to Penny Rokondiva and Salah from Canada, the two couples who always love your Fijian words. So they Connie, now they are using your slangs. Toso boys, set kece. So now there.
Bula to these Canada people originally from Fiji. Bula.
Ben and Salah.
Nice to meet you. Hope you're enjoying our vlog. Yes. Wishing you all the best. Nice greetings here from Germany to Canada. Have a blessed Sunday tomorrow. Enjoy your family time.
Kece
bakandua.
Toso boys. Mode. And
Toso boys.
Toso boys. Beautiful sunset, man. Kece. Guys, day by day we are looking at new subscribers onto the channel, man. It's just so amazing. So it's a big blessings, and we don't need financial support. The only thing you can support us with is just writing in the comment and just saying Bula. That's it. And the biggest support would be subscribing to our channel. Our target at the end of this year to smack 10,000 subscribers.
And to watch our videos from the beginning to the end.
Yes, guys, if you just started watching our vlogs now, go and watch the other vlogs when I started the channel from Fiji. When I was working at Vomo, we went out fishing, and yeah, our Fiji trip, our trip around here in Germany, and there's amazing vlogs there. Cooking show. If you love cooking and baking, you need new recipes, you want to try some German food, never mind you're in Fiji, you're in the village, kim domela vena dovete vola sona kakana va vitsi va tsamani guys sarapanga na vlogs out. Big Bula vinaka to the families back home in Lavena village, Taveuni, and to the Waka family. Boy, they went to Taveuni. I saw on the last vlog they went to Taveuni, man. So bad that they did not go to my village, man. Because the blowhole is located in my village land, in our Matangali land. And also big Bula vinaka to the Moturiki boys, Uraya Tambua, Kati, Totokana vlog.
Uraya?
Uraya, not
Uraya?
Yeah.
Uraya, can you please show us your baby? And your wife? We are always just looking for that, but you've never shown your wife and your baby. So I'm always asking Pate, hey, is he showing his wife?
Yeah, Uraya Tambua. That's a big challenge for you. That's a dare,
Yeah.
which you must do.
Pony is also showing his wife, so
Yes.
I think you can also show your wife.
I'm showing my wife. Before, I don't like to show Connie on the camera.
Why?
Before, because this vlog is just mine. I don't want to show my wife's face, just to protect her, because otherwise
From?
some people might kidnap her.
Huh?
And then I have to go back to Fiji. So now, look at her, kidnap her, take her,
Yeah, you kidnapped me.
Kachitu. Kidnap her, and this boy will kidnap her.
Yeah,
again.
guys, I want to tell you something. My parents are still waiting for the whale tooth from this boy. He hasn't paid it. No.
Awesome.
Yeah. He really. What do you think? Is he allowed to get to marry a German girlfriend with not bringing any whale tooth? Yeah. So my parents are still waiting for that. He did not bring any whale tooth.
I told my momo, Papa, if you want the whale tooth, come with me to Fiji. We go and dive.
Yeah, Papa already went to Fiji.
Yeah, but he doesn't like going in the water.
You should know, my parents already went to Fiji. They have spent some time in Fiji, so they know Fiji, but they did not present any whale tooth.
You Germans don't need whale tooth.
Yeah,
What you gonna do with the whale tooth?
hang it in the hole.
Yeah, even the mat is still under the bed. Told Connie,
Oh,
spread it,
Bonnie,
spread
we
it,
will do that
spread
when
it, spread it.
we will
No,
have
she's not spreading it.
Where should we spread it? As a blanket in our bed or what?
On the floor.
Bunti.
Mondri.
Mondri. Bunti.
Du bunene.
Bunene. Sing
Here, here. Man, I love this song. Dokin Doki, man.
Doki?
Dokin Doki is the name of the band. Matanggalya busrako buto May nasabu Enandelana Kundam semu Kinabuli toro vake Onde wakira tu kanabule
Play your air guitar. Come on.
Oduru kina vaka Ibaka wituku
Your microphone?
My microphone.
Like you kick. Play your guitar. Play your guitar. Come I hold. You play your guitar. Play your guitar.
I'm singing, man.
Singing and playing.
Okay, you play the guitar.
No, I cannot.
Okay, our check it song. Check it, check it. Oh. Kan di malumu.
Phone is ringing. No, it is ringing.
Okay, now guys, we are about to fill the garage with the cement. Just me and Papa working today, and yeah, we are good to go. So this is before, we will show you after and during our work. Toso boys. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's go. It's a little bit of struggle, guys, because it's just two of us in this whole garage, but all good. Let's go, Toso boys. Okay guys, now it's the second truck. We already finished first truck. So this is what we managed to fill, and so we have to fill it below this button here, this button. Okay, Toso boys. Okay, we almost finished. Oh no, it's finished. The second load of truck. So now he's just cleaning it. And here. Then I just have to level it with Papa. Like I was telling you. This button. So there you have few inches left to fill. As soon as he touches the button, that's it. We are good to go. So over there it's too much, so we just have to distribute it equally. My toso, songa toso, kece. Yeah guys, just touching up, making everything level. And yeah, today is a Monday, another beautiful week. Just a continuation from our work on last Saturday. And yeah, it's just me, Papa, filling up this whole garage. 9 meter by 8 meter. 9 meter long, 8 meter wide. It's not easy, but all good. We are loving our work because we know that one day everything will pay off here. That's the bush. Okay guys, now another update from where we've left off last time, and Yeah. Here you go. The garage is nice and dry. The cement filling, which I did with Papa, so it's nice and dry now. And yeah, now we are ready. This is the provision for the next project. Here we'll build a wall this way, and this is the drainage, because inside here we'll make a special room for the heater. Definitely, unfortunately, they cannot put it on the third floor because the company was saying in modern days now no longer nice to put the heater on the top floors. Many houses in Germany has that, but the company that's doing the heater, they say it's not good anymore, because if something happens from up there, then the whole house will have a swimming pool there. There will be a swimming pool formed in every rooms. Okay, I will just take you up on where Papa and I had left off with our work, and also Connie, where I left off with Connie in closing the wall of the bedroom. So this is what I did with Papa on the last 2 days. Yeah, remember guys, before it was just here, so we covered the whole thing. Now we already put up the box, like doing the boxing, and we'll fill it tomorrow. And guess who's here? The foreman.
And also this super cool, like this apartment is super beautiful.
And here, remember last time I was doing it with Connie, was just here, and then Papa did another 2 layers. Yeah. And yeah, that's, yeah, we'll close that off. And what else you want to say?
It's just nice to see like how we are continuing and how everything is going. So I remember when we were doing the garage, you know, like the stones on the side so that the water's not going on. No, we are already covering the roof and the garage, and
Yeah, Connie.
Can't wait, guys! I can't wait to move in with my husband in this. Oh man, this is our future.
And also Connie was so busy doing home office, so it's just me, Papa, working every day. And yeah, and also this side of the, so this is the Badezimmer, bathroom, toilet and bathroom. See, we covered this place. Joint, I don't know what kind of joints are there. Yeah, we covered. Get the box, like boxing it, so that tomorrow we will fill the cement. Tawa cement mataka. Job tomorrow is to fill the cement. Not only one side, guys, not only one the right side, also here on the left side. We put up the stones, and then now we covered it. So tomorrow we just have to go up on top and then just fill the box. Look at the sunset.
Yeah, this is a beautiful view.
Nice view.
And I think our windows will come in 2 weeks.
What?
Our windows will come in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks our windows is coming. What the? That's nice.
Super cool.
Okay,
Then everything will look more beautiful.
Kece. And also our electricians, they're super fast with their work. Yeah, they have to go to the, here, look at all their cable, like they're drilling the walls here to the kitchen, and this is for the outside lights. There you go. Yeah, so this is the main entrance. So one will be just glass, and this will be the main door, and on top there's 3 windows. And then what I was showing you about us covering the walls, covering the top, so it is that part there. There. So tomorrow we'll fill the cement there. Kece. And guys, please don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment, and please subscribe to the channel. It would be our great pleasure if you subscribed. Thank you so much to all our new subscribers who have just recently joined the family of 3Ts, traveling, tasting the food and tasting the grog and tunes. Okay, Nisamwade. See you on the next Project Vale vlog. Toso boys.